What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome, boo. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on your post notification bell so you will get notified on my next upload. So in today's video, BornPretty has sent over NPR some beautiful gel polishes. First, we are going to open up everything and take it out the box. So as you can see, you get an instruction book. And also you get 6 10 ml bottles of gel polishes. Okay, so if you're interested in these gel polishes, I will leave my discount code here on the screen and also the link in the description box. Okay, so here I'm just showing you what the bottle looks like. I love the peekaboo window. It has the colors are accurate that you see in the window, and it does have the instructions on the back of the bottle. And yeah, and it also has these, like, the swatch and the name of the gel polishes. Okay, so next I'm just going to show you the colors and also the swatches, and I will let you go ahead and enjoy. Okay, so I went ahead and prepped my nails and did everything off camera because I wanted to just focus on these gel polishes from BornPretty. And first I am going to go ahead and do the ring finger with the glitter gel polish. And this gel polish is really cute. It's kind of like a purplish pink, and it has chunky glitters inside, and it's really gorgeous, and it was so easy to apply. And I do apply 2 coats, and I do cure for 60 seconds. So I went ahead and cured that, and I'm going to be using this towel for my nail palette. And I did get this towel at the 99-cent store. I don't know if they still, it's actually a coaster, but you know, I'm using it for my nail palette. So I will be using the colors 05 and 02, I believe that was. And I'm just going to be doing some simple line work, and this is a very beginners friendly video, and I hope you enjoy this video. But anyway, so I'm just going to go ahead and do some very simple line work. All right, so I am using a liner pencil or liner that I got off of Shein, and I do have a Shein haul if you would like to check that out. So I'm just going to do a couple of simple lines, and yeah, and I do cure it for 20 seconds, and I do a second coat, and I cure that also for 30 seconds. Alright, so here I'm just doing the same lines just with a different color. I am using the color HP02 and then I also cure that for 30 seconds. Okay, so here I am using SXC Cosmetics gel liners, and I'm using the gold one, and I'm just going to follow the same lines with this gold gel liner and cure that also for 30 seconds. Okay, here I'm just doing the second coat of this gold gel liner, and I will cure that for another 30 seconds. And this is how she is looking. She's looking cute, and we're going to move on. All right, so I will be using this gel polish BPHP01, and I will be doing a layer on my middle finger, and I also do 2 coats on that as well. And I actually cure this one for 60 seconds just to make sure it's cured all the way through. And I also do a second coat for 60 seconds as well. Okay, so these are the nail art that I will be putting on my nails, and I am using this top coat from SXC, and this is how the thumb is looking. I thought it was so cute. I love butterflies. If you don't know me by now, you know my brand is butterflies, and I am a sucker for butterflies. I love butterflies. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put this top coat, one layer of this top coat on my nails, and then I will go ahead and apply those cute little flowers. I need to get some more of these flowers. I want to get them in all different colors. These flowers are so gorgeous, and it screams spring. So I am so ready for the spring. I don't know too much about the summer. I mean, I like the summer, but then again, I don't like the summer because I don't like being hot. But you know, it's all good, it's whatever. But so I'm going to go ahead and apply these beautiful pink flowers on my pointer finger and also on my pinky, and I will be also applying them onto my ring finger with butterflies. So I will let you go ahead and enjoy this part. I know in these next few clips it looks like I am moving the flowers, but I'm actually trying to put the little gold ball inside of the flowers. But what I didn't do was I didn't cure it. I put the flowers on first and then what I should have did was cure it while the flowers was on, and then put the little balls inside of the flowers. But I did cure that for 30 seconds, and this is how she is looking. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put our top coat on top of this middle finger, and we're going to also add those beautiful flowers, and yeah, and then we're going to put the butterflies up there, and yeah, so I'll let you enjoy this part and I will return. All right, so this is how she is looking with the cute little flowers on there. So now I just got some top coat and I am just putting them inside of the flowers so that way I can put the little gold balls inside of the flowers, and I do cure that for 30 seconds. Okay, so here I'm just using top coat again to put on the butterflies, and I did get these butterflies from Temu, and I do have a Temu haul. If you'd like to check out that video, I will leave it in the cards above. And also guys, this video does come to an end. I'm just going to go ahead and apply my cuticle oil. Okay, so this is how she is looking. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will link everything in the description box down below along with my discount code to BornPretty. And I will see you all. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all in my next upload. Until then, toodles.